Hi everyone, this is Reisinger Rocks with Anna and Haley. Okay, Haley, what's your rock?
Well, my rock or mineral of the day is Howlite. Howlite is a calcium mineral. Crystals reach a maximum of about a centimeter. It is white with a fine gray or black vines in an often web-like pattern. It's opaque. Howlite is discovered near Nova Scotia in 1868 by Henry Howe. Howe was alerted to the unknown mineral by miners in a gypsum quarry where to be a nuisance. Most of the common form of howlite is nodules, sometimes resembling cauliflower. Crystals of howlite are rare, having been found in places worldwide. Howlite is a commonly used decorative objects as small carvings for jewelry components. It has the most hardness of 3.5. Tell us about your rock.
Okay. My rock or mineral of the day is fluorite. Fluorite is the mineral form of calcium fluoride. Colorless, although are often deeply colored owing to impurities: purple, lilac, yellow, green, blue, pink, brown. Found throughout the world, large deposits are in South Africa, Mexico, and China. One of the largest deposits in the North America is located in the Newfoundland, Canada. Fluorite is the only common mineral with 4 directions of perfect cleavage. This perfect cleavage combined with the mineral's structure frequently cause it to cleave into perfect octahedrons. Most people are familiar with fluoride products used in the prevention of tooth decay. Fluoride is added to drinking water as a therapy and added to toothpaste. Fluoride was a wide variety of uses. The most scale of mineral hardness is 4. I like about the fluoride is like
the exohedrons.
yes.
Mhm.
These are different colors. Like the ones I have are different.
I think I like it in the middle. This is my thinking of it, like in the middle, because it's in my teeth and body.
Yeah, you ingest it. It's in your minerals.
I'm not hard though.
No, but there are minerals and vitamins that make your body, all your cells.
Not rocky.
Yeah.
And then it's got like little gray.
It looks like a tile.
It looks like marble.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It looks like you could put it on the floor and
it'd be like a tile.
A bathroom, and it would look.
But it doesn't come very big. I mean, you can't get big pieces of it. It's only teeny tiny.
Connect them, maybe.
Maybe you can make little mosaics out of it, I suppose.
If you liked our video, comment down below and hit the like button and the subscribe button to get all our latest videos. Bye!